Hi everyone and welcome to Hands-on Android Material Design by Pact Publishing. In this video, we are going to take an overview of this course that we are going to master material design. I'm Mona Wafa and I have about 8 years of software development experience. And about 4 years of it was specifically on mobile development. During the course, I'll be sharing related subjects that I myself had been struggling for so long as a beginner. Design is one of the most important aspects of application development. The main objective of using material design in your app is to use a design language that communicates through visual interaction between users and the technology. If you want to use the main material design principle in your Android apps, which provides realistic visual cues, a bold graphical intentional interfaces with features where motion provides meaning to the UI, then this course is for you. In this course, you will be learning to bring designs to your app, one of the most important aspects of any application. You will make small changes in your UI, and you will be amazed to see how it communicates with your users. Now let's take a tour on our roadmap for this course. In section 1, you will be learning about material design. Then we will move on to section 2, where we will learn about toolbar, collapsing toolbar, and snack bars. Also, we will learn about bottom navigations. In section 3, we will learn about navigation drawers and tab layouts. Then in section 4, we will learn about recycler views and card views. Then we will move on to the section 5, where we will explore material design with buttons, text fields, and progress bars. After that, on section 6, we will learn about sliders and dialects. Then on section 7, we will learn about view pages, image slideshows, and swipe refresh layouts. And on the last section, we will learn about animations and screen compatibility. Prerequisites of this course are pretty simple. Any computer running Android Studio on it. You can run a simple Hello World app on your computer using an emulator. And also a basic knowledge of Android programming. And of course, Kotlin. This tutorial assumes you're comfortable with the basics of Android programming and understand what the activity lifecycle means. Our goal is to help you learning to use the Android material design system to build beautiful products faster. Implementing animations and transitions to express motion details. App bars, buttons, and other active elements can be implemented more effectively with material design. Then exploring everything about latest material design. And implementing animations and make your user experience more enjoyable and fun. Mastering material design by practicing multiple code samples and different scenarios. Also, learning to use material design the correct way to empower your skill. Join me on this amazing journey and let's master material design at Pact Publishing.